So ladies and gentlemen, sticking to our theme of technology, we are now going to hear from Trivector, who's going to present on their innovative air purification technology that is ideal for a hospital setup. And we're now going to hear from Mr. Dilip Patil, who is a managing partner from Trivector. So Mr. Patil, the stage is yours.
So good afternoon, dear friends. So talking about technology, prescribing technology, it was so interesting and enlightening session, nicely conducted Dr. Desai. So this is one technology which I am going to talk, which I wish all of us in healthcare shall prescribe to their healthcare setup. So company which is about 24-year-old, we have been specializing in IVF, in vitro fertilization and sperm banking, and now a couple of years back we ventured into hospital-acquired infection control and biomedical waste management. So we represent a few companies, including a company from Ireland called Novirus, which has developed this fantastic new technology, which you'll be able to see at our booth. So we have been hearing news about schools closing down for a week in Delhi and most of parts of North India. So it's a huge problem of pollution, and we are just talking about outdoor pollution, but what happens inside? 25% of this outdoor pollution gets in and stays there in the room. Indoor air is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. That is EPA. United States EPA has this figure. 80% of all cancers are attributed to environmental factors rather than genetic factors, which is due to exposure to carcinogenic chemicals which are found in household cleaning products. And then annual burden of this disease caused by indoor air pollution and outdoor air pollution actually amounts to a loss of about 2 million healthy life years in European Union. So this is the report by European Environmental Agency. So this said that inside air pollution, we are talking about the microorganisms which are in the air. So this is a famous statement by Bill Gates, with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He spoke this in February 2017 in front of WHO Assembly, that a fast-moving airborne pathogen which could kill more than 30 million people in less than a year, and he also feared that we are not prepared to counter that terrorist. So what are these airborne pathogens or microorganisms? There is a whole list of that. Most common of them, Acinetobacter, MTB, H1N1, and then you name them and they are there. Unfortunately, we don't really care about the airborne infection because we mostly concentrate on hand hygiene and surface hygiene. So this is what happens. Pathogens are in the air and they are infectious. These airborne pathogens then travel as infection droplets and settle as dust particles on the surfaces, and then we touch with the hand, so creating the surface contact points. And then lighter the droplet or airborne particle, longer it stays in the air, and so you can see they can be there forever, and viruses are less than 1 to 3 micron, which remain suspended indefinitely. So what we do right now, we have pathogens which are there all over in the air. They are carried on the air currents around the facility, making beds, flushing toilets, a lot of things. So these pathogens are airborne most of the time. Then they settle on the surfaces overnight. Then we clean the surfaces with lots of different cleaners. But unfortunately, all these surface cleaners, they do not kill all the pathogens. Sometimes we use bleach, which needs the dwelling time, which needs some time to get it effective. And this surface cleaning is point-in-time solution. That means you can't be doing it continuously. It is at that point in time. Then for hand, we are very careful about hand hygiene, and that is a very good thing. But all these alcohol gels, they are proven to activate something called C deficit. And alcohol gels does not kill all the viruses and spores. And cost of attaining 100% compliance with this hand hygiene is very, very prohibitive. So normally we are talking about air infection control technology or air filtration. So there's a lot of confusion. What is air filter? What is air ionizer? So there are two technologies basically. One technology is to trap the airborne microorganism, and another technology is to kill. So here we are concentrating. I'm going to concentrate on the kill technology. So in trap technology, which we are using HEPA filters in the HVAC system, or ULPA filters, we are using electrostatic precipitation filter, ESP they call it, and then we are using different brands of ionizers. In kill technology, ultraviolet irradiation or GUV, germicidal UV radiation. Then we use fumigation, H2O2 fumigation, which is very commonly used in the OTs. And then we have so many other so-called plasma technologies. So filters, in short, they block the impurities from reaching the target. They do not eliminate anything. They just block it. Purifiers are hybrid technology which filters the impurities and also try to neutralize some of them by doing ionization. And there is a third category which I'm going to talk is a sterilizer, which totally eliminates or kills the microbes. So this is a technology which we are going to talk about, which reduces spread of infection, it improves existing hygiene protocols, it reduces respiratory infections, and it ultimately improves indoor air quality. So this is a plasma-based technology. So what is plasma? In 2008, CDC, American CDC, declared that plasma is the best possible technology to clean the medical devices. So we have been using plasma devices for cleaning or sterilizing endoscopes and all the hospital equipment. But then what is plasma? Plasma is fourth state of matter. If gas or air is energized, it gets converted into plasma. So the natural plasma which we normally see during monsoon is the lightning, that is the plasma. So what is special about this plasma? This is the dielectric barrier discharge plasma, which is a patented technology by this company. Everything happens on the surface of the plasma coil inside the box, inside the machine. So it is dielectric barrier or DVD plasma. So it's a high voltage applied to two plates, electrodes, and then it is separated by a glass barrier, this thing. So this is exactly what happens. The infected air is drawn in, it goes inside the machine, goes around this plasma coil, and this plasma field is so destructive that it deactivates the DNA of the microorganism and it converts it into the natural molecule in the air. So there is no filter, no residue. So these are so many things simultaneously happen with that microorganism in that plasma field, and it happens in microseconds. So first thing happens is electroporation of that cell wall. Then there is electron bombardment which destroys the DNA, and it also prevents DNA replication, so there is no mutation as with other technologies. There is also UV photon radiation which breaks the bonds and makes that microorganism unstable. And then finally there is oxidation or etching of that microbe. So you can see the healthy stuff gets destructed into multiple these things. So species are broken down into small safe molecules. And this is the image which is from NASA. They have worked on this technology on our behalf, and they have come out with a white paper how this technology is having very, very fast kill rate. So within 0.002 seconds, everything is destructed, and that happens inside. So what is different? This plasma device is designed to create the plasma on the surface of the plasma coil generator, unlike other devices like ionizers or ozonizers, which generate ions and they rely on emission of reactive species, reactive oxygen species. Here the pathogens are exposed to the plasma discharge as opposed to the byproducts of the discharge, free radicals. So in short, we bring the plasma, the air inside the plasma field actually. So for example, VOCs, if formaldehyde, which is CH2O, will be broken down into CO2 plus H2O, and it will be released as a natural molecule in the air. So Noira's plasma is contained within the device at all the times. So there is no emission of ozone or anything like that in the room. So it is very safe to use around the patients in the occupied rooms. And this technology has been tested on all sort of microorganisms, 37 of them actually, gram-positive, gram-negative bacteria, viruses, fungus, spores, molds, everything. And then NASA has validated that, and we have done a study on VOCs, particulates, All these institutes, Karolinska Institute, Sweden, Ares Lab in America, they have done influenza study. So this has been tested, and all the papers, all the publications are available with us if you are interested. And then the ultimate frontier in India is TB, tuberculosis. So we were challenged with this thing. Has any study been done on tuberculosis? Because TB is very big in India, 30%. 30% of people may be carrier of tuberculosis. That's what is the statistic. So we did some pilot study in the RATCP approved lab. And then this particular technology, in the equal kill rate, it kills the MTB in the air as well. So this technology is capable of destroying the microbacterium tuberculosis. Then we also did certain studies on Acinetobacter study, which is very common in Indian healthcare setup for hospital-acquired infection. So here also 5 different isolates we tested on. You can see on left is the before using the machine, and right is after using the machine. So it destroys all sort of pathogens. And this has been used in about 30 countries worldwide. So there are 3 models which you can see at our booth, which covers different square feet of area or volume of the room, and it can be used in occupied rooms, in patient wards or consulting rooms, wherever. And we talk about technology and digital technology. So this machine is compatible with the digital technology. You get to have the online monitoring of the bioburden in that particular room. So remotely you can have all this data, all this color indication, humidity, temperature, types of pathogens and VOCs and all these things. So this is already compatible. We have the software and app for that. And these are few installations. You can see it is used in neonatal ICU. It is used in ambulance. In Korea, 60% of the ambulances owned by government are using this novirus plasma air sterilization in the ambulances. It is used in the wards, it is used in ICUs, it is used in dialysis unit. This is a picture from Greece, Fresenius Dialysis Center, and it can be used in the OTs. So you can see, so what are the top 10 benefits? I'm just going to summarize them. Obviously this is a little commercial talk, I'm sorry. It's innovative. This is a green technology which actually works. Which actually works means we have documentation and you can try it yourself. Because patient recover fast after using this technology. This is based on the feedback on the clinical trials we have done. So there is increased bed occupancy. Means you get more patients actually. You need to admit more patients. So it controls the spread of airborne infections, especially the seasonal epidemics, and the hospital actually becomes the amplifier of the epidemic. The use of antibiotics, for obvious reasons, comes down drastically, which is the right step for antimicrobial resistant problem, and it amounts to huge savings for the patients. Staff sickness, because it's not just for patients, it's for you, it's for your staff. So staff sickness and number of sick leaves come down. So obviously your healthcare setup's productivity goes up a little bit by continuously scrubbing them. This is a 24/7 technology. This is not something which you have to use point in time. It works 24/7. So surface backtrack, and we have the documents which I can share with you. Almost 68% surface backtrack count comes down because of cleaning the air with this technology. Then with continuous sterilization of the air, there is another aspect to that. All of you are using HEPA filters in the duct system and all this thing, and you need to change them, or you need to use a lot of energy to filter the air through that. So this particular technology, if you are using it in the rooms, it reduces the burden on your HEPA filter. You see, it can allow you to have less number of air changes per hour because it adds its own equivalent air changes. So there is the cost of replacement on filter comes down, the cost of electricity consumption comes down, so it of course reduces your overheads. And then it protects and saves life of not just the patient, as I told you, but the doctors, nursing staff and the visitors are also protected. So it effectively controls spread of airborne infections, and when we are talking about TB, it is a very right step in that direction. Then reduce infections, obviously, I came across a couple of, on the lighter side, that people say if it works so well, this technology, that means patient will get cured very fast. So what about our business? You are trying to kill our business. We want to keep that patient for longer time. And that was just a joke. It actually improves your brand image if your hospital is using this technology, which is working, which you can demonstrate by reduce infection rates, reduce all the things, all the parameters, measurables. So you actually enhance your brand image. And then lastly, this is the new technology, maybe 3-year-old technology, 4-year-old technology, which is implied in India only for a couple of years now. So it's a futuristic technology, so you can be proud of using the new technology to save lives or reduce the infections. So already we are creating ripples, so we have been awarded a couple of times for excellence in infection control. And then I also presented this technology in the month of August in Harvard Medical School during their course on airborne infection. And CDC has now approached us to do some trials in India by using this technology on different microorganisms. So, and this was a recent picture in Jaipur where Deputy Commissioner, High Commissioner of UK and Dr. Sangeeta Reddy from Apollo Hospital, they awarded us a trophy for airborne infection control. So this is, we were part of TB Day in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. We deliver a lecture there. And to summarize, this is a plug and play technology. This requires no maintenance or minimal maintenance. There is no filters, no chemicals, no catalyzers, no lamps. It consumes less than 20 watt of electricity. It's very, very silent technology. It is movable. It is safe to use around patients, around human beings. It is all approved CE, UL, all ISO certified factories. And if you can work it out, this technology costs you less than 100 rupees per day per bed, or even less, depending on your this thing. And I am saying it with full confidence that this is the cost of this technology. So why not use it? So please do come by our booth and we can have this thing. Thank you very much.